Hi everyone. Let's talk a little bit about liquid facelifts. Liquid facelift is a term that physicians didn't come up with so much as patients did, but it's become a huge term on social media. Lots of people are aware of liquid facelifts. So let's talk a little bit more about them and see really what is a liquid facelift, what does it do, and are you a candidate for it? So let me start off by saying facelifting surgery is surgery that's performed to rejuvenate the lower face and neck, the jawline, the area under the chin, when there's excess skin, excess fat, lots of sagging. A liquid facelift does not accomplish the same thing as a surgical facelift. There's lots of changes that occur to the face over time that surgery won't fix. For example, over time, our faces tend to lose volume. We get hollow in the temples. Sometimes under the eyebrows, there's a fat pad under the eyebrows, and our eyebrows start to droop and look deflated. Under the eyes, our cheek soft tissues will deflate and shift, making these lines deeper. We see changes along the jawline, changes in the chin. Almost every part of the face will be affected over time by changes to the natural volume that's found there, even our lips. So a liquid facelift is a way to rejuvenate the face by both recontouring, meaning to pick things back up and reposition things, not in the same way surgery does, but still you can get some nice repositioning, as well as to restore the volume that's been lost with age. So liquid facelift procedure refers to use of soft tissue fillers to address those changes that have occurred as a result of deflation and to some degree sagging of tissues for patients who really aren't great surgical candidates. And again, if your biggest concern is fullness of your neck, heavy jowls, your eyebrows dropping way down below the bony eye socket, your lower eyelids being really puffy, surgery really is going to be the best option for you. But for those patients who don't have changes that are so advanced, and often folks have been relatively thin and fit their whole life, and not skinny, but not terribly obese, and they just notice that they look older, those are the patients who are the ideal candidates for liquid facelifting. A lot of times I'll look at some old photographs and ask someone to pull up their social media or to find an old photograph of themselves. I'll look and see what's changed and then use injectable fillers in the various parts of the face, starting at the top and working my way down to help restore a more natural, youthful appearance without looking like anything was done. When performing a liquid facelift, we often use a wide variety of products. Soft tissue fillers come in lots of different types. Some are really strong, great for lifting, for if you want to lift a cheek or if you want to make a jawline more defined or a chin more prominent. You need a nice strong filler that you place deep next to the bone. However, if you have hollowness under your eyes, or if your lips need a very gentle restoration of volume, you're going to want to use a product which is well tolerated just beneath the skin surface, because the eyelid skin and lip skin are very, very thin. So we need something that isn't going to be as strong like a lifter. You need something that spreads gently. We use a lot of hyaluronic acid products. Examples are Restylane, Juvederm, Belotero, the RHA products, RHA 2, 3, and 4. The products we currently have, although there's others that will be here. We can also sometimes use Radiesse, Sculptra, which are also injectable fillers. They're a little bit different in the way they act, but because each area of the face is a little bit different from some of the others, we usually use a combination of products to get best results for performing liquid facelifting. The duration of effect on liquid facelifting can actually be very long. It's usually at least a year before we need to touch things up, but some parts of the face, fillers will last for many years. So it really just depends on an individual's anatomy and what their goals are, and what we have to do and how much correction we have to produce. You may well be surprised at how long the results will last after liquid facelifting.